We've got 30 days to help 30 young people to find their voice. As a charity, we've got a thriving outreach programme, and over the next 30 days, we need your help to raise £15,000. Our goal, to put 30 young people who have had tougher lives than most through our Radio Platform training programme. It's more than just a 6-week workshop learning about presenting and producing a radio show. It's also about teaching young people life skills, about boosting their confidence and giving them the tools they need to fulfil their potential.
To work with the young people with Asperger's and the young mums group, it was just something that we really wanted to do.
This is like a fantastic place to be creative.
It helped me realise that I've got a path into the future.
So help us change the lives of 30 young people. Visit wmc.org.uk to donate.